Hello, chemistry students. I am Mrs. Addig, and it will be my pleasure to guide you through chemistry this second semester. Chemistry is a very exciting course. It is the central creative science, and I'm hoping that you will enjoy it. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself before we started the class. This is a picture, it's actually my senior picture, and as you can see, the shape of Illinois in the background. I grew up in Southern Illinois, and this other person in the picture here was my high school sweetheart, who is now my husband. And you see 6 little stick figures around, those 6 boys, those happen to represent the 6 brothers that I grew up with. After graduating from high school, I went to Southeast Missouri State University, where I majored in biology and chemistry. After college, I married my high school sweetheart. There we are, walking down the aisle. And several years later, we started our family. We have a son, Garrett, who is all grown up and has a construction company, and a daughter, Marcy, who is also grown up, and she is an emergency room nurse. I got my master's degree in secondary education from Baker University, which happens to be in Baldwin City, Kansas. Here's a picture of my son and daughter-in-law, Natalie and Garrett. They have 3 children, 3 of my wonderful 6 grandchildren. This is a picture of my daughter and her husband and 3 daughters. And here's a picture of all 6 of my grandchildren together. This was a couple years ago. They're getting a little bit bigger now. We have much fun spending time with them, traveling and just riding bikes and doing fun things in nature. This is a picture of my husband and I. We were at the Sunken Gardens in Lincoln. As I followed him around in his coaching career, I taught in many different high schools. I taught at Lawrence High School for 16 years while he was coaching at the University of Kansas. He coaches track. And then we went on to the University of Nebraska, and I taught at Lincoln North Star High School. And after that, he came back to the Kansas City area. He is coaching at Washburn University in Topeka, and I taught at Blue Valley North High School before I retired from Kansas and came over to the Missouri side and joined Park Hill. Like I said, I'm very much looking forward to guiding you through chemistry. I hope that you will get to know me and feel very comfortable reaching out anytime you need help or have any concerns. I will be sending you a folder for the first day, and on the second day we'll do a Zoom together and we'll all get to know each other and talk about all the ins and outs of the chemistry class. Well, I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you Wednesday on our Zoom. Take care.